Hello everyone, this is Dr. Usha Kumari, Assistant Professor, Department of English. Today we'll discuss the character sketch of Shylock. He is one of the most important characters of the play. Shylock is the opponent, or we can say the villain of the play, antagonist. Shylock is one of characters in the drama who have got all-round characterization. We see him in his family, in business, in civil relations, and in religion. We see him in his bad behavior with Antony and has several reasons. His actions to him are governed by racial as well as personal traits. When we see Shylock is the strongest and the most interesting character in The Merchant of Venice, his downfall moves us so greatly that for a time we lose patience with the other characters. His character can be studied in the context of his love for money and his passion for revenge. Secondly, we see that his love for money. Shylock lives for money, he loves money more than anything else. For money is his life. He is a money lender, he charges high rate of interest from the people. He reckons the need of those who approach him for a loan and enhances the rate of interest accordingly. He doesn't allow any feeling of pity or kindness to interfere in it. Indeed, money and morality are interchangeable terms with him. Shylock's greed for money makes him withdraw all sentiments in his relations with kinsmen, friends, or neighbors. It seems that he loves money more than he loves his daughter. When he struck ducats of jewelry that Jessica has taken away, then at her flight from home, Shylock utters these words: "I would my daughter were dead at my foot, and the jewels in her ear." Shylock's passion for revenge. Next, we see that Shylock is vindictive by nature. He has his personal grievance against Christian. The Christians always look down upon the Jews. Shylock is also on the watch for a suitable opportunity to harm the Christian. He hates Antonio most, as the latter lowers the reputation among the people by advancing loan free of interest or gratis. He gets an opportunity for satisfying his passion for revenge when Antonio comes to him for a loan. When he hears that Antonio's ventures have miscarried, he cries out exultantly, "I thank God! I thank God! Is it true?" On seeing Antonio under arrest, he cries, "Gaoler, look to him, tell him me note of mercy. This is the fool that lent out money gratis. Gaoler, look to him." Next, we see that feeling for race and religion. Shylock's hatred for Christian is racial rather than a personal hatred. It salvages our nation, our holy Sabbath. The wrongs of the individual seem merged in the wrongs of the race. Antonio is a representative of the Christian who have been persecuting the Jew very cruelly. Shylock's general desire for revenge against all the Christians is quickened when he gets an opportunity. He wants to remove this thorn in his life. He is suspicious by nature. Shylock doesn't trust anybody easily. He cannot trust his servant, his friend, and even his daughter. He suspects that Lancelot, in league with Jessica, is cheating him of his property. Lancelot, he suspects some foul play when Bassanio invites him for dinner. We also see that his love for his wife and daughter. No doubt Shylock has been presented as cunning, greedy, vindictive, and fanatical. But apart from all these, he has certain human qualities. When Tubal tells him that his daughter Jessica has exchanged his wife's gift to him for a monkey, he is shocked. This was the ring that was given to him by his wife as a marriage gift. This shows that he was an affectionate and loving husband. He has also profound love for his daughter. That's why he always cautions her not to mix with the Christians. When he comes to know that she has eloped with a Christian, he is very much perplexed. Or in the end, we can see that Shylock is towering personality. He has both intellectual strength and strength of purpose. He has great argumentative power in the trial scene. He is defeated, but it is only that he gets our sympathy. हम देखते हैं कि शार्लॉक नाटक के उन कैरेक्टर्स में से है जिनका आकलन किया गया है, जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। और हम देखते हैं कि उसके अपने फैमिली के साथ, अपने बिजनेस को लेकर और सोशल जो रिलेशन हैं या फिर रिलीजन को लेकर जो रिलेशन है, वो हमें यहाँ पर दिखाई देते हैं। एंटोनियो के प्रति जो उसका व्यवहार है, उसका जो बिहेवियर है, वो उसकी कास्ट और रेस एंड उसके रिलीजन पर डिपेंड करता है। शार्लॉक मर्चेंट का वेनिस है, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर है, बहुत ही पावरफुल कैरेक्टर है। और जब उसका डाउनफॉल होता है तो हम सब इवन जितने भी रीडर्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टेड होते हैं उसके प्रति। बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट दो जो उसकी क्वालिटीज़ हैं, एक तो लव फॉर मनी एंड रिवेंज, वो प्रीडोमिनेंट करती हैं उसके कैरेक्टर के अंदर। उसका मनी के लिए जो लव है वो बहुत दिखाई देता है। वो पैसों के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता है, मनी को सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंस देता है। यहाँ तक कि जब वो देखता है कि वो लोगों को इंटरेस्ट देते हुए भी ब्याज पर जो पैसा देता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेता है। कोई दया उनके प्रति नहीं दिखाता। इवन फ्रेंड्स, नेबर्स और रिलेटिव्स हैं, उनके साथ भी वो अपने रिलेशंस ख़राब कर लेता है ड्यू टू द लव ऑफ मनी। और जब उससे पता चलता है कि उसकी बेटी जेसिका लोरेंजो के साथ भाग गई है, उसके बहुत सारे ज्वेल्स ले गई है, तो वो कहता है कि काश ऐसा होता कि मेरी लड़की अपने आभूषणों के कानों में पहने हुए मेरे पैरों में गिरकर मर जाती। शार्लॉक के बदले की जो रिवेंज की भावना है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा है। वो क्रिश्चियंस से बहुत ज़्यादा नफ़रत करता है और एंटोनियो से बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि एंटोनियो ग्रेटेस्ट मनी होती है विदाउट इंटरेस्ट, वेरी लो इंटरेस्ट पे मनी देता है लोगों को, तो वो एंटोनियो को अपने रास्ते से हटाना चाहता है। और जैसे ही उसे पता चलता है कि एंटोनियो के शिप हैं वो सिंक हो गए हैं, डाउन हो गए हैं सी में, तो वो कहता है कि वही गॉड, मैं बहुत ही ग्रेटफुल हूँ आपके प्रति जो आपने एंटोनियो को हिरासत में ले लिया। और वो कहते हैं कि इस पर कोई दया मत दिखाना, ये लोगों को पैसे उधार में देता है बिना इंटरेस्ट के। वो अपने रिलीजन, अपने रेस को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस है, तो अपनी नेशनलिटी को बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस देता है। वह लोगों ने उसके साथ जो व्यवहार किया उसका बदला लेना चाहता है, तो उसके अंदर जो रिवेंज की फीलिंग है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा है। ही डाउट करता है हर किसी के ऊपर। वो इवन अपने फ्रेंड्स, सर्वेंट्स और अपनी बेटी पर भी विश्वास नहीं करता, और इसी वजह से उसके रिलेशन जो है वो अच्छे नहीं हैं।